Wales has its own law-making history, which goes back beyond the days of Hywel Dda, a 10th century Welsh king who arranged the laws of Wales. Wales came under English rule in 1282, and later became a member of the United Kingdom. More recently, public votes, called a referendum, were held to decide if decisions over certain issues should be made in Wales for Wales, a process which is called devolution. Wales said yes in 1997, and in 1999 the National Assembly for Wales was born. Back then, the Assembly had very limited powers to make laws. But in another referendum, in 2011, the people of Wales voted for more lawmaking powers. On the 6th of May 2020, a law came into force which changed the name of the National Assembly for Wales to the Welsh Parliament, commonly known as the Senedd, to reflect how its role has grown. Now the Senedd makes laws for Wales, agrees Welsh taxes, and controls many issues that affect our day-to-day lives. The law also lowered the voting age for Senedd elections. This means that 16 and 17-year-olds now have a say over who represents them.